Have you ever wondered why is weed illegal in India? And though bhang is the byproduct of marijuana but is still legal.
Hey guys, welcome to The Young Indian, a one-stop destination for news, current affairs, movies, music, whatnot, everything.
You might be shocked to know that marijuana, which is illegal today, was legal in India until 1984.
But what are the instances which moved India towards illegalizing weed? Well, we need to go back to 1960s for the answer. India was in an immense pressure of USA to make all the hard and soft drugs illegal. By the 1980s, the relations of India with USA increased and eventually in 1985, NDPS, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act was passed. And then marijuana and its byproducts were illegal in India except for bhang.
So basically, marijuana comes from cannabis plant. This act criminalizes the use of fruit and flower of cannabis but excluding the leaves. The leaves are grinded to make paste called bhang and have deep connections with the Hindu religion, especially the Shiva. In countries like Canada, South Africa and in our neighbor Pakistan, weed is very much legal. Even in US, the use of marijuana is legalized in some states for medical purposes and for recreational purposes in few states. Countries like Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Denmark, Bermuda, Chile, etc. have legalized the medical use of marijuana.
Well, now the question is, although many countries are legalizing weed, why is India still reluctant to do so? The answer is simple. We can speculate that marijuana can be cultivated anywhere. This will eventually decrease the cost of it. As this would be lesser priced, people who are consuming alcohol and cigarettes would eventually shift to marijuana, and the tax revenue earned by the government will be far less in case of marijuana when compared to alcohol and cigarettes. Imagine what happens if India legalizes weed.
Now, let's take for an instance that India legalized the consumption of weed. You can think of two possible situations. One, we can see people smoking excessively. Though weed has lesser health risks compared to tobacco, but has worse mental health effects. Weed will leave you anxious, afraid, and even panicked. In high doses, it can make you paranoid, losing touch with reality, and start hallucinating. You could grow physically dependent on it, as it can be cultivated anywhere and it would be easily accessible to the teenage students, making them an addict.
On the other side, people are shifting from tobacco towards weed, decreasing the health risk. Implementing controllable conditions can lessen the illegal activities. Both the possibilities equally have pros and cons. What do you think about it? Tell us in the comment section.